and magic. Let's see what's chaos.
Chaos.
Hmm.
Dr. Kinkish.
Oh.
More gloss.
B. Okay, who should we do next?
Air. Earth.
Earth?
Yes.
I'm gonna skip it. Yes.
Golden.
Queen, Chaunches, Tussle, Sprout, Cave Club. What? But we don't have those. Let's see what. Okay, we have light. Yeah, this one. Sheep Creep. We have him. We need Chompy Maze. Chompy? Okay, we have water, right?
Yeah.
Water.
Go
We have.
We have to
Oh.
go right.
This one we're going to definitely be Chill Bill, Brawl Wrestling,
Run
Run
chain.
Chain. Ah. Here come back.
Yeah, do it. Let's go.
Velocity done. Oh, chaos. How about the Kaboom challenges? Ooh, how about this one? It's new. Let's do. Oh. Well, let's do Justin. Oh, we're lost.
I am Eon, and I have come to guide you on a
Right,
great
sit down.
journey. Welcome to Skyland.
Shush! Come on, everyone, let's go. Now over here. Check out over here. Here! Treasure chest! Aaron, wait. Okay. Aaron, wait.
Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
A chocolate day.
Mashed potatoes.
Another cereal.
Okay. Hey, I need some. Mine. Ah, mine. Mine. Oh, 3 total mine. Oh, you only have 18. I have 60. Okay, tayong kaltong. Yeah, push to the meter 30, okay?
Lalo turtle.
Push! So, Aaron, give me a turtle to push with him. Hey, why do you push everything?
Because I like to.
No, I'm falling. Oh, you can still go. You're falling. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, I discovered you.
That was.
God! Dad!
Oh, that was starting on you.
Aaron, look! No backwards in Nilaw. Come on, tayo ka lang. Oh, coins lala over there. I'm gonna be Sheep Creek. Aaron, go to Sua. Don't go! Get some coins. There, come on! Oh no, Sheep Creek fell! I'm turning back.
See what this
Thank
was
you.
starting.
Is this backwards?
Yes.
Oh, I think you're backwards. Oh, we're over there. Come on. Jump. Aaron, in attacks, okay? Come on. I'm down there.